looking to sculpt those buttocks and thighs, you're not alone. Many hit the gym chasing that dream of toned lower bodies, only to leave frustrated. Here's where most go wrong. They either skip the basics or ignore form. Trust me, it's not rocket science, but there's a method to this madness. Start with the squat.
This is your powerhouse move.
Squats target your glutes, quads, and hamstrings all at once. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower your body as if sitting in an imaginary chair. Aim for 10 to 15 reps for 3 sets. It's the foundation exercise, just like bread in a sandwich. Next up, the lunge. It's like the dynamic cousin of the squat. Step one leg forward.
Drop your hips and keep your front knee over the ankle.
Switch legs and repeat. Do 2 to 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. And if you look at like your sinking months, if you make it your message and you send them and you take it and stationed at the gym. The leg press machine should be your next stop. It's all about positioning. Place your feet slightly wider and shoulder width apart on the platform and push with your heels. Go for 3 sets of 10 reps. It's like squats without the balance challenge. And ever tried to deadlift, it's not just for bodybuilders. Keep the barbell close to your body, back straight, and lift with your hips and knees until standing tall. This move torches your glutes and hamstrings. Start light, focus on form, aim for 3 sets of 8 reps, and watch a strength surge. So, maybe for that additional glute focus, give hip thrusts a go. Use a bench for support, position a barbell over your hips, and drive up using your glutes. Squeeze at the top before lowering. Work up to 3 sets of 10 reps. It's like magic for your backside. Don't skip the inner and outer thigh machine. It might look basic, but it's effective. Adjust resistance, ensure you're using proper form, and aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. This targets often overlooked muscles, bringing balance to your workout. Calf raises shouldn't be forgotten. They're the underdogs of leg workouts. Stand on a step with heels hanging off the edge, rise onto your toes and lower slowly. Aim for 3 sets of 15. Feel those calves, and soon so will everyone else. Pull in some cardio to finish. 20 minutes on the stair climber will blend your routine with endurance. This cardio burns calories while toning those thighs and glutes. A win-win if ever there was one. It's like icing on the cake. And pro tip, keep track of your progress. Jot down weights and reps achieved in each session. You'll be amazed at how quickly strength builds. Watching numbers climb is oddly satisfying and incredibly motivating. Hydration and nutrition are non-negotiables. Your muscles are like engines, and they need the right fuel to recover and grow. Opt for a balanced diet with protein, carbs, and healthy fats. You'll feel the difference in your energy levels and recovery time. Lastly, rest days are vital. Muscles grow when you allow them to recover. Aim for 2 to 3 rest days a week. It's like charging your phone. Without it, nothing works for long. Embrace the downtime. Embrace this journey with patience and consistency. Your dream of stronger, firmer legs is within reach when you combine the right moves with the dedication. In no time, you'll look back and realize that pain was just the sound of transformation.